Anyways, guys, the van is 10 years old today. Wishing her happy birthday. 10 years. December 8, 2003, she was built, and yeah. So I'm doing today, getting all this junk fixed. Where is it? I'm getting the alternator, the copper pulley, and the 6 spark plugs changed today. Mechanic's like literally like the next street away from me, so getting all this fixed. Remember the whole the copper pulley. It's in reverse, by the way. Going on neutral. Then drive. Just lock the hood, hold on. So yeah, I don't take her to get fixed. Can't, you know, wait around the bush any longer. So it's freezing out here, anyways, too. So yeah, this is the belt. I'm gonna be changing a piece with a freestone belt and 6 spark plugs and the alt pulley. Here we are. So I don't know if you wanna get I'm gonna bring a bell and see, I changed how things go during the day. Anyways, see you guys later. So all we did today was the spark plugs, guys. Sorry, well, that's all I did today. Yeah. What the problem was that we broke the tool for the take out the tensioner, and we need something else for take out the alternator. So he's gonna do a little more investigating, and then we're gonna see. We're gonna go from there. But to be honest, you guys, oh my goodness, I was surprised from what I saw. The whatchamacallit, this back spark plugs are loose, rarely loose, guys. Like holy. And that's probably the cause of my ticking. I'm glad I got that fixed. Another thing though, for the van, remember to put like your brake booster, because when we did the back plugs, we didn't do the brake booster lines on the van. I'll show you how it sounds now. It sounds the van actually sounds proper now. Actually sounds better. No more ticking noise. What happened was he took out the brake booster line and the thing was idling. Whoa, like, I was like over revving. But yeah, all I've done so far is the spark plugs. Nothing else. I just want to reverse it back on the road. I'm just gonna leave it here. But I know it's so much more better. No more. Usually by now it'll be ticking like hell. Sounds good. So yeah, I'll be doing the belts and the alternator coupler pulley later on. Because he broke the tool for the belt, and we gotta get something else to the alternator, and we wanna do it safe, right? So yeah. Okay, so in December I did the spark plugs, if you guys can remember from the first half of the video. So now fast forward to like July 12, 13, my bad. We are just gonna finish the tune-up process. So basically what I have here, I bought a new idler pulley. It's $50 a Canadian Tire where I'm at right now. So I'm gonna get all that done today. What our decision was that with the idler pulley, what happened was the other one could be cleaned, right? But we, you know, just for safety, security reasons, we're just gonna buy another idler pulley, and you know, and if anything happens, well then, if anything happens, then we could just return the idler pulley or use that one instead, you know, fixing it. Because you guys can see, I don't know how I was gonna make that out, but the idler's full of gunk. That's one, and the serpentine belt, it's basically snapped in half. Right through the middle and snapped in half, so yeah. And come to the back, I'm gonna repaint the drums, repaint the calipers. As you can see, they're already red, right? And this way, same deal. Here. Well, the tires are flat again. I was in the Canadian Tire and I asked them about how much would they do to like clean the corrosion off the rim, and they said it's $40. And I have the second hatch lights, which I'm probably gonna put on right there to make two. I have the paint. Well, I had the valve cover gaskets were leaking, I think, but stopped leaking now. And then I have the alternator coupler pulley tool. My mechanic has the alternator coupler pulley, so we'll get this all done today. For sure, I can't like go around with a snap belt, you know what I'm saying? And you don't just get everything done now and not worry about it later on. Right? So you guys want to hear how the engine sounds, right? I'm not going anywhere now. It can drive. There's no noise now, apparently because of the belt. I don't know. I really just gonna get all this shit changed today and get it over with. Can't, you know, carry on like that. So what I'll do is just give you a quick videotape of the drive home. You guys know how it sounds, you know, yada yada yada. Alright. Alright, so 10 minutes ago we just finished the van, spent 3 hours on it, and I took for a quick test drive. I'm not exactly at home, and I rode a 5-minute drive away from home. And the van, man, the thing runs beautifully. No noises, nothing. It's the most silent engine I've ever heard. What happened was the alternator coupler pulley was seized on, So I just bit the bullet and paid $230 and got a brand new Champion, a 160 amp alternator. It originally came at 140 amp, but 20 more amps. That's better, right? So I put at it in 210, put in the belt, put in the new idler pulley. Listen to it. It's like a brand new engine. Oops, sorry about that. Sorry. Brand new belt, brand new alternator, brand new idler. Let's put it in gear, shall we? It's in reverse, listen. Nothing. Not a single noise, nothing. And drive, nothing as well. See? Whenever I used to put it in gear, for the last couple of weeks, it used to be like a ticking noise. I really didn't know what it was, to be honest. I really never knew what it was because I was talking to the transmission and stuff like crap. And now I changed the pulley, that's all gone as well. And this van idles quieter as well, which is good. We're going to take a quick test drive on the highway before we go back home. Alright, so just bear with me in 2 minutes. Awesome, let's get out of here, guys. This is cool on the highway. It's pulled over into like a random, I don't know, Mattamy Homes, I believe. These Mattamy Homes parking lot, so let's look into the camera properly. The van, I don't even know if it's running sometimes now. I'll be honest with you, I'm jealous of myself. I'm like, why have I waited 4 years to do this? And here's another good thing. What will happen today? We took out the passenger wheel, right? We took out the passenger wheel because we needed more space to work on the belt and stuff, right? So I cleaned up the caliper and the brake pads and stuff a little bit. And I don't even have a squeak now coming from the brakes, which is good. Before, when I would stop at Alpines, it would squeak like a bitch. Now, not even squeaking at all, which is good. See, all like now it would be squeaking, but nothing. Let's go to 410. Apparently we're doing some like dinner thing tonight, so I don't know. I'm really fun. Let's see how the fan comes on high. Right, girl? Yeah, you can found the AC on yet. I wonder how that's gonna work out. Quiet, see? Well, good thing then. That was, I went from what, second to third gear, just now, yeah. Not that, no, that was, yeah. At least 110 right now. It runs perfect. No brakes, nothing. And it's nice to be there for almost 4 years now. Imagine that. All I was just going to replace the pulley, or I just replaced the alt. It has a new pulley. My mechanic, those people, that's the whole reason I got a good discount on it. With the Champion alternator, I actually upgraded from the 140 amp to the 160 amp. Better for me at the end of the day, right? Crap, battery life. Okay, the battery light is, I don't know what happened here. Shit. Alright, so remember I just come up the highway, I said the battery light came on, right? So I just pull over, and I just wiggled the wire going to the alternator. Apparently it was not seated in properly. So I just pulled it in and the battery light went out. So it's all okay now. So just to finish off this video with my tune-up, everything's fine now. Alternator is working good. Just that the connector was not set on properly. Remember that red tab? Remember you push that in all the way? That was my issue. Kind of burned myself getting on the exhaust manifold, but whatever, right? At least I was like worried that, you know, it might be the belt snapped or anything, but then I had cooling, steering, everything, so yeah, it was fine. But anyways, so just remember when you're removing your alt, make sure you put back that wire properly. What I'm gonna do when I go back there, I'm gonna go to my mechanics, and we're gonna see to make sure to put in the put a zip tie or something, or wrap around the wire just to make it more strong. And yeah, that concludes it all. Van runs gorgeous now. So really, on these vans, Ford Gen 2001, 2007 Dodge Caravan, Chrysler Town & Country, and Chrysler Voyager. When you have a grr noise, your alternator is a problem. Oh, and here's my belt that snapped. Literally, this is how it was when we took it out. It's 2 pieces instead of 1, so it was really bad. This is the original factory belt. So yeah, have a great day, guys. That was at 208-148.